Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to create a group of contacts inside Grigora Mail. Organizing your contacts into groups helps you manage your communications more efficiently. Let's see how to do it. First, navigate to the Email section in your Grigora dashboard. From the Emails page, click on Open Inbox. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and log in. Once you are logged in, look at the left sidebar and click on Contacts. Here, you will see a list of all your contacts. At the top of the Contacts page, you will see a tab for All Contacts. Right next to it, click on Groups. After switching to the Groups section, on the right side, click the Create Group button. A pop-up window will appear where you need to fill in the group details. Start by entering a group name. You can also add a description below it, which is optional but helpful for keeping track of your lists. Next, choose the contacts you want to add to this group. You can use the search bar to find specific people or simply scroll through the list and add them one by one. As you click Add, the contacts will appear on the left side under Members. You can add up to 50 contacts to a single group. If you want to remove someone, just go to the Added Contacts list on the left and click the minus button next to their name to remove them. Once you have finalized your list, click the Create Group button at the bottom. And that's how you successfully create a group of contacts in Grigora Mail. See you in the next one!